and assemble system unit parts by Ronald Duran, IPA. A power supply is an electronic device that supplies electrical energy to an electrical load. The primary function of a power supply is to convert one form of electrical energy to another, and as a result, power supplies are sometimes referred to as electric power converters. A CD-ROM is a prepressed optical compact disc which contains data. The range is an acronym which stands for compact disc read on memory. Computers can read CD-ROMs but cannot write on the CD-ROM, which are not rewritable or erasable. A hard disk drive (HDD) is a data storage device used for storing and retrieving digital information using rapidly rotating platters coated with magnetic material. An HDD retains its data even when power off. Data is read in a random access manner, meaning individually blocks of data can be stored or retrieved in any order rather than sequentially. A floppy disk, also called a disk, is a disk storage medium composed of a disk of within and flexible magnetic storage medium filled in a rectangular plastic square lined with fabric that removes dust particles. Floppy disks are read and written by a floppy disk drive (FDD). A video card, also called a video adapter, display card, graphics card, and graphics board, display adapter, graphic adapter, or frame buffer, and sometimes preceded by the word discrete or dedicated to an expansion card which generates a feed of output image to a display. Random access memory (RAM) is a form of computer data storage. A random access memory device allows data items to be read and written in roughly the same amount of time regardless of the order in which data items are accessed. Integrated Drive Electronics or IBM Disk Electronics (IDE) is more commonly known as APA or Parallel APA (PATA), and it's a standard interface for IBM-compatible hard drives. A central processing unit (CPU) is the electronic circuit within a computer that carries out the instructions of a computer program by performing the basic arithmetic, logical, control, and input or output operations specified by the instructions. A mainboard, sometimes alternatively known as the motherboard, system board, planner board, or logic board, circuit board, PCB, found in computers and other expandable systems. It holds many of the crucial electronic components of the system, such as the central processing unit, CPU, and memory, and provides connectors for other peripherals. That is the parts of a system unit disassemble and assemble.